ChumChum Kids! Let's learn together!
Great job! Now watch this line.
Let's learn the letter A. Watch the magical pencil trace it. Now you trace along with me. Great job, everyone.
Welcome, everyone! Look who's here!
All right, everyone, watch closely.
First, a straight line down.
Good. Now, a big curve at the top and another at the bottom. See? Both sides are the same size.
Yay, you did it!
Great job, everyone! Let's all trace the letter B together! Good morning, everyone! Today, we have a very special guest.
All right, class, watch how the magical pencil makes the letter C. See? It stays open. A nice, smooth curve.
Great job! Now it's your turn! Can you trace the letter C with me? Hello, everyone! Look who's here today! All right, everyone, watch closely. First, a straight line down, then big happy curve around. That's the letter D.
Yay, we did it!
All right, everyone, watch the magical pencil.
First, a tall, straight line down. Great job!
Let's trace the letter E together. Great job, everyone. Give a thumbs up.
Yay, we did it!
Welcome, everyone. Today is a very special day. Great job, everyone. Let's start with a big line down, line across the line, cross us to the top, another little line in the middle. Perfect. Look, letter F.
First, a big curve, like a C. Then,
Welcome, everyone. It's a very special day. All right, everyone, watch closely. First, a tall line down, and another one here, and now a line across the middle to connect them. Perfect. Let's start at the top. One straight line down. Good. Now a short line across the top, and one more at the bottom. Perfect. Welcome, everyone.
start at the top and make a gentle hook. See? The little hook makes letter J special.
Great job, everyone!
Welcome, everyone! Look who's here!
Both arms start in the middle.
Hello, everyone! Look who's here to visit us today!
Hi, friends! Let's learn the letter L.
Down, then across.
Welcome, everyone! Look who's here!
Down, up, down, two tall mountains.
Welcome, everyone! Look who's here!
Down, slide, then up.
Yay, we did it!
Welcome, everyone!
One big round circle.
Yay, good job,
Welcome,
everyone!
everyone!
Tall line, little round top. Letter P has one round top.
Welcome, everyone!
It's an O with a little tail. That's what makes Q special.
Welcome, everyone.
It's a P with one walking leg.
Yay, we did it!
Welcome, everyone!
Curve 1, curve 2, nice and smooth.
Yay, we did it!
Welcome, everyone. Let's learn about the letter T. Down first, then across the top. Down, then across the top. Letter T wears its hat on top.
Welcome, everyone. Look who's here.
Down, around, up, then across the top. Letter U has a nice round bottom.
Hey, we did it!
Welcome, everyone.
Down, then up, a perfect V.
Yay, we did it!
Welcome, everyone. Look who's here.
Down, up, 4 easy lines. Letter W is like 2 V's holding hands.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about the letter X.
1 line, then cross it.
Yay, good job!
Welcome, everyone. Look who's here.
2 arms meet, then 1 long tail. The 2 upper branches.
Hey, good job!
Great job, class. We've reached the final letter, Z.
Hi, everyone. I'm Z, the last letter.
Yay,
Across, slide down, across.
Like this, Teacher Benny?
A neat Z from top right. Great job, everyone.
Hooray! You wrote all the letters from A to Z.
Let's remember all our letters together. Wonderful! You wrote every letter from A to Z.
See you next time.